Welcome to our deep dive into the hidden world of trade secrets within the food and beverage industries. Today, we'll explore how companies protect their most valuable recipes, processes, and formulas. Trade secrets are the backbone of many successful brands, enabling them to stand out in a crowded marketplace. From the secret blend of spices in a famous fried chicken to the unique brewing methods of popular beverages, these confidential details are fiercely guarded. Let's begin our journey by understanding what trade secrets are and why they matter so much in this sector. Trade secrets are confidential business information that gives a company a competitive edge. In the food and beverage industry, this could be a recipe, a process, or even a sourcing method. Unlike patents, trade secrets are not publicly disclosed, making them harder to copy. Companies invest heavily in keeping these secrets safe, often using legal agreements and strict internal policies. Understanding the definition helps us appreciate why these secrets are so valuable and why companies go to great lengths to protect them. Some of the most famous trade secrets in the food industry include the Coca-Cola formula, KFC's blend of herbs and spices, and the recipe for the Big Mac's special sauce. These secrets are legendary, often sparking curiosity and speculation among consumers. The companies behind these products have built their brands around the mystery, using secrecy as a marketing tool. This scene will highlight how these iconic recipes remain undisclosed and the impact this has on brand loyalty and consumer intrigue. Beverage industry is filled with secrets, from unique brewing techniques to proprietary flavorings. Companies like Pepsi and Red Bull have their own confidential formulas that set them apart. These secrets are closely guarded, sometimes locked away in vaults or known only to a handful of trusted employees. The mystery surrounding these beverages adds to their allure, making them more than just drinks, they become cultural icons. Let's explore how beverage companies maintain their competitive edge through secrecy. Protecting recipes is a top priority for food and beverage companies. They use a variety of methods, including non-disclosure agreements, restricted access, and even physical security measures like safes and vaults. Employees are often required to sign confidentiality contracts, and only a select few are allowed to know the full recipe. These strategies help prevent leaks and ensure that the secret remains within the company. Let's look at how these protection methods work in practice. Trade secrets are protected by law, but the legal frameworks vary from country to country. In the United States, the Uniform Trade Secrets Act and the Defend Trade Secrets Act provide robust protection. Internationally, agreements like the TRIPS agreement help safeguard secrets across borders. Companies rely on these laws to take action against theft or unauthorized disclosure. Understanding the legal landscape is crucial for anyone working in the food and beverage industry. Employees play a key role in maintaining trade secrets. Companies invest in training programs to educate staff about the importance of confidentiality. These programs cover topics like handling sensitive information, recognizing potential threats, and understanding legal obligations. By fostering a culture of secrecy, companies reduce the risk of accidental leaks. Let's see how employee training contributes to the overall protection of trade secrets. Physical security is another layer of protection for trade secrets. Some companies store their recipes in safes, vaults, or secure rooms. Access is limited to trusted individuals, and surveillance systems are often used to monitor entry points. These measures may seem extreme, but they are necessary to prevent theft or espionage. Physical security complements legal and procedural safeguards, creating a comprehensive defense strategy. Today's digital age, protecting trade secrets requires robust cybersecurity measures. Companies use encrypted databases, secure servers, and access controls to safeguard sensitive information. Regular audits and monitoring help detect potential breaches. Digital security is especially important as recipes and processes are increasingly stored electronically. Let's explore how technology is used to protect trade secrets in the food and beverage industry. Non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, are a common tool for protecting trade secrets. Employees, suppliers, and partners are often required to sign NDAs before gaining access to confidential information. These legal contracts outline the consequences of unauthorized disclosure and help deter leaks. NDAs are an essential part of the overall strategy for maintaining secrecy in the food and beverage industry. Suppliers often play a role in maintaining trade secrets. Companies may source unique ingredients or materials from trusted suppliers who are also bound by confidentiality agreements. These relationships are carefully managed to ensure that proprietary information is not disclosed. The trust between companies and suppliers is vital for keeping recipes and processes under wraps. Many brands use the mystery of their trade secrets as a marketing tool. By hinting at secret recipes or undisclosed processes, they create intrigue and excitement among consumers. This strategy not only protects the secret but also enhances brand loyalty. The allure of the unknown can be a powerful motivator for customers to choose one product over another. Maintaining trade secrets is not without challenges. Employees may leave the company, competitors may attempt to reverse engineer products, and leaks can occur despite precautions. Companies must constantly update their security measures and adapt to new threats. The dynamic nature of the industry means that vigilance is key to keeping secrets safe. Reverse engineering is a major risk for trade secrets. Competitors may analyze products to try and uncover the secret recipe or process. While some aspects can be protected, others may be exposed through careful analysis. Companies use various strategies to make reverse engineering more difficult, such as using complex blends or proprietary ingredients. Coca-Cola's formula is one of the most famous trade secrets in the world. The recipe is reportedly locked in a vault, and only a few executives know the full details. Over the years, many have tried to replicate the taste, but none have succeeded. Coca-Cola's commitment to secrecy has helped maintain its unique flavor and global brand identity. KFC's blend of 11 herbs and spices is another legendary trade secret. The recipe is kept in a safe, and only a few people know the exact combination. KFC has built its brand around the mystery, using secrecy as a key marketing tool. The result is a loyal customer base and a product that stands out in the fast food industry. Pepsi's formula is also a closely guarded secret. The company uses a combination of legal, physical, and digital security measures to protect its recipe. Pepsi's commitment to secrecy has helped it compete with Coca-Cola and maintain its own unique identity in the beverage market. The recipe for the Big Mac's special sauce is another example of a well-kept trade secret. McDonald's uses strict internal controls and confidentiality agreements to protect the formula. The sauce is a key differentiator, contributing to the brand's global success and customer loyalty. Trade secrets are important worldwide, but the methods of protection vary. Some countries have strict laws while others rely more on company policies. International brands must navigate these differences to keep their secrets safe. Understanding the global perspective helps companies develop effective strategies for protecting their recipes and processes. Innovation is closely linked to trade secrets. Companies invest in research and development to create new products, and the resulting recipes or processes are often kept confidential. Protecting these innovations is essential for maintaining a competitive edge and encouraging further creativity. Let's see how innovation drives the need for secrecy in the food and beverage industry. Trade secrets have a direct impact on consumers. The mystery surrounding certain products can enhance their appeal, making them more desirable. Consumers may develop strong brand loyalty, driven by the allure of the unknown. At the same time, secrecy can sometimes lead to skepticism or curiosity about what's really in their food and drinks. Ethics play a role in the management of trade secrets. Companies must balance the need for secrecy with transparency about ingredients and processes, especially when it comes to health and safety. Ethical considerations can influence how secrets are protected and disclosed, impacting consumer trust and regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance is essential for companies with trade secrets. Governments may require disclosure of certain ingredients or processes for safety reasons. Companies must navigate these requirements while still protecting their proprietary information. Compliance helps ensure that products are safe and trustworthy, even when some details remain confidential. Technology is increasingly important in protecting trade secrets. From advanced encryption to secure communication platforms, companies use tech solutions to safeguard their recipes and processes. Technology also enables better monitoring and detection of potential threats. As the industry evolves, tech will continue to play a vital role in maintaining secrecy. Internal controls are crucial for protecting trade secrets. Companies implement policies and procedures to limit access to sensitive information. Regular audits, access logs, and employee vetting help ensure that only trusted individuals are involved. Internal controls create a structured environment where secrets are less likely to be exposed. Working with third parties introduces risks to trade secrets. Contractors, consultants, and partners may gain access to confidential information. Companies must carefully manage these relationships, using contracts and monitoring to prevent leaks. Third-party risks are a growing concern as the industry becomes more interconnected. Trade secret theft is a serious issue in the food and beverage industry. Competitors, disgruntled employees, or hackers may attempt to steal proprietary information. Companies must be vigilant, using legal, physical, and digital safeguards to prevent theft. The consequences of losing a trade secret can be severe, impacting brand reputation and financial performance. Secrecy is often intertwined with brand identity. Companies use trade secrets to differentiate themselves and create a unique image. The mystery surrounding certain products becomes part of the brand story, influencing how consumers perceive the company. Maintaining secrecy helps reinforce brand identity and market position. Future of trade secrets in the food and beverage industry will be shaped by technology, regulation, and consumer expectations. Companies will need to adapt to new threats and opportunities, using innovative strategies to protect their secrets. As transparency becomes more important, balancing secrecy and openness will be a key challenge. Trade secrets are a vital part of the food and beverage industries, shaping everything from product development to marketing. Companies use a variety of methods to protect their recipes and processes, balancing secrecy with legal and ethical considerations. As the industry evolves, maintaining trade secrets will remain a top priority. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the hidden world of food and beverage trade secrets.